What's going on today, YouTube? Rob here. In today's video, I've got a brand new display of the new Maximum Gold El Dorado set. This set actually contains some pretty cool reprints, some cool alternate artworks, and if I'm not mistaken, does come with a lot of misprints. So let's open this up and see what we can pull. Maybe we get lucky or unlucky depending on how you want to look at it and pull some of those misprints. What we are kind of looking for is the alt art version of Red Eyes Black Dragon, or even Dark Magician or Blue Eyes White Dragon. Wouldn't mind pulling a copy of an alt art Eldritch the Golden Lord. But without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the video, and be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Alright guys, let's get into this Maximum Gold El Dorado display opening. This set, I've heard, has been pretty prone to a lot of misprints. So, I don't know, that's pretty intriguing. Cool thing to find. Let's see if we can maybe pull one of those. Also, let's see if we can't get the alt art, at least Red Eyes, maybe even Blue Eyes or Dark Magician. This set is actually pretty neat as well. We have an alt art version of Eldritch the Golden Lord as well. So let's see what we can pull out of those. Let's move on to our first box. First 4 packs. Let's see what we can pull. So first pack, we have Rainbow Neos, followed by Majesty's Fiend. It's really cool. Then we have the Weather Painter Rainbow as our first gold rare, which is actually pretty neat. Then we have Urgent Schedule, number 9, Dyson Sphere, and we've got, Black Rose Dragon with the alt art as well. That's pretty cool. And then we have Dragon Maid Hospitality to round off our first pack. Next pack we go. What do we have? We have number 3, Numeron Gate Trini, Scrap Wyvern. Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon in a gold rare. Not bad. We've got Psy Frame Lord Lambda. And we've got Evil Zord Dolka in a gold rare. I thought this came as one in the last Maximum Gold, but I could be wrong on that. Still a neat pull. Then we have Zephyranu, the Secret of the Yang Zing, which is really cool. Another Aria, the Water Charmer Gentle. I kind of wish that they would stop reprinting this card. Just on the fact that it's been in like 4 sets this year. And, you know, they're plentiful in the other sets, that's for sure. And I mean, I also do have the Starlight Rare version, so that's kind of part of it. Next up, we have Microcoder. And then we have Fossil Dyna Pichi's Follow, Broken Line, another Zephraxes, Treasure of the Yang Zing. And then we've got Invoked Mechaba, which is actually looks really nice with the gold rare. Then we've got Psy Frame Lord Zeta and Prank Kids Weather Washer. And last pack of our first Maximum Gold, we've got Constellar Ptolemy M7, followed by Guardian of the Golden Land, which is pretty cool. Then we've got Premathmac Alamberdian as a gold rare, not bad. Asa, the Earth Charmer Immovable. We've got Psy-Frame Lord Gamma, or Psy-Frame Gear Gamma, sorry, as our other gold rare, which is actually pretty neat. Then we've got Prank Kids Roxy's and a the Wind Charmer Verdant to round off the first El Dorado box. Let's move on to the next one. You know, after opening that first pack, or first box, I would actually really like to see the Eldritch the Golden Lord. I mean, this is El Dorado, City of Gold, so why not? Let's see if we can get Cursed Eldland and maybe a copy of Golden Lord. So we've got the Weather Thundery Canvas, followed by White Dragon Wyverbuster. Ooh, nice reprint there, Predaplant Verde Anaconda. Looking pretty sick in the gold rare. Then we've got another Asa, the Earth Charmer Removable. And we've got a gold rare Book of Moon, which is actually pretty nice as well. And then we have number 41, Baguska, the Terribly Tired Tapir. And a Firewall Dragon. So not bad for our first pack on this second box of El Dorado. And then we have Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Gustav Max, sorry. And then we've got Ultimaya Zolkin, which is really cool. And then we've got Prank Kids Lampseas. And we've got Numeron Storm as a gold rare, so that's neat to see some pretty new Numeron support, really. And then we have Torrential Tribute as our second gold rare. Code Talker Inverted, and a Numeron Network. Next pack we go. We've got Eva. Weird reprint, but okay. Scrap Wyvern, which is pretty cool. We've got the Weather Painter Rainbow again. Prank Kids Meow Meow Moo, which is pretty cool. And we've got Magical Dimension. Not bad. Another Zefraxia. Or Zerfranio. And a Code Talker Inverted. Last pack of our second El Dorado box. We have Prank Kids Dropsies. We have X-Code Talker. Ooh, Gold Sarcophagus in Gold Rare. That's really nice. Then we have the Phantom Knights of Break Sword. And Hot Red Dragon Archfiend King Calamity. Ooh, Gold Rare Pot of Extravagance. Not bad. Another card I kind of wish they would stop reprinting, at least in sets this year. Because, again, every set seemed to contain this, but hey. And lastly, we have Summon Limit for our second box. Let's move on to our third in our display. Alright, next pack we go. Starting things off with Altergeist Konkiri. Ooh, we've got Ultimate Conductor Tyranno as a gold rare. Really nice. Then we've got another Prank Kids Meow Meow Moo. Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Juggernaut Libe, which is really nice. And we've got Elixir of the Black Awakening as our second gold rare card. Don't know why I put Juggernaut Libre over here. Then we have the Weather Rainbow Canvas and Prank Kids Battle Butler. Rounding off the first pack. Next up we have Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Gustav Max, Golden Land, or Guardian of the Golden Land. We've got Rocket Tracer, which is a nice gold rare, neat reprint. We've got Altergeist Meluseek, and we have number C1000 Numeronius Numeronia. Neat to see some more Numeron support, like I said. Maybe if we get enough cards. We've got Battle Butler and Weather Painter Rain. Maybe if we get enough cards out of here for the new Numeron stuff, maybe I update a Numeron deck, taking out the Eldritch variant. We'll see what happens. We've got Numeron Gate Trini, Scrap Wyvern, ooh, Trishula, Dragon of the Ice Barrier in a gold rare. Not bad. Scrap Golem, not bad at all. Oh, nice. Exodia the Forbidden One. I kind of forgot that that was in the set. Kagamusha Knight and Area the Water Charmer Gentle. Hopefully we can pull all the other pieces of Exodia as well in gold rare, because that actually looks really nice. Too bad it's not the most competitive, but hey, it's still really nostalgic and really neat. We've got Weather Thundery Canvas, White Dragon Wyverbuster, Starlight Road as a gold rare, not bad. And Asa the Earth Charmer Removable, another alt art Black Rose Dragon in gold rare, a Giant Rex, and Shooting Code Talker. Not Shotgun Code Talker. Shooting Code Talker. Our second last box in the display. Next pack we go. We've got Prank Kids Pranks, which is not bad. The Water Painter Rainbow once again. Earth Charmer Removable. Weather Snowy Canvas. We've got Danger Bigfoot. It's a gold rare. That's actually a neat reprint as well. Hot Red Dragon Archfiend. And a Zephyranu. The Yang Zing. Again, we have Eva. Ooh, Black Rose Dragon in original artwork to go along with our alt art. We've got Eldritch the Mad Golden Lord. They missed out. This card should be, and I'm not 100% on this, but this card should definitely have been a gold rare. Deep Sea Diva. We've got Sky Striker Ace Ray. Prank Kids Pandemonium, and Numeron Wall. Yeah, they definitely missed out on the Mad Golden Lord being a gold rare there. That would just look so sick. Next up, we have Prank Kids Doodle Doodle Doo, Numeron Gate Katvari, got Numeron Chaos Ritual, so that's a neat reprint, or neat new card for Numerons, rather. Code Talker, we've got the Weather Painter Snow, which is neat, Numeron Gate Eckham, and Phantom Knights of Silent Boots. Alrighty. Ooh, starting things off with Rainbow Neos. Then we've got Majesty's Fiend once again. Broken Line. Zafraxi, the Treasure of the Yang Zing. We've got number C1000 Numeronius. 5 level 12 monsters. Jeez. We've got Sky Striker Ace Ray and Raid Raptor Ultimate Falcon. So that rounds off our second last box in our display. Let's move on to our last box and see whether or not we can pull Golden Lord or Alt Art Red Eyes, really, or Alt Art Golden Lord. So I feel that card, that should definitely be a gold rare. I mean, he is the Golden Lord, so it kind of goes without saying. Alright guys, last final box of this display. Oh. What do we have? Starting things off with an Altergeist Multifaker, followed by Numeron Gate Trini, Prank Kids Bow Wow Bark, Numeron Calling, and we've got Fire Formation Tenki, and a Familiar Possessed Lina, followed by Altergeist Marionetter, rounding off our first pack. Second pack, we have Psyframe Driver, followed by another UTC, Ultimate Conductor Tyranno in gold. And then we've got Hot Red Dragon Archfiend King Calamity, Code Talker, and Danger Bigfoot, but an alternate artwork as our second gold, which is actually really nice. Giant Rex, and another Win, the Wind Charmer, Verdant. Not bad. Second to last pack we go. We have Numeron Gate Trini, followed by Psyframe Lord Omega, Mystic Mine, the Cancer card, Numeron Gate Devay, Baby Sarasaurus, and we've got Cursed Eldland, so not bad, and another Firewall Dragon. Actually, I think in Maximum Gold, Golden Castle of Stromberg, if I'm not mistaken, was a gold rare, but I'm not 100% on that. Cursed Eldland looks really nice though, as a gold rare. But they are missing out on some cards that I think could be gold rare that kind of just suits the theme anyway. And we've got Psyframe Driver, another Fossil Dyna Pachis Pataro, Farlow, I don't know, Trap Trick, Eldritch the Mad Golden Lord once again, but not golden. And we have Sky Striker Ace Rose as our last gold rare, followed by Hot Dragon Archfiend Bane, and Prank Kids Pandemonium to round off our Maximum Gold Eldorado display. Alright guys, that's it for this Maximum Gold Eldorado display opening. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, and also be sure to comment on what your favorite card in the set was, and if you would like to see me open up more of the set. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing for more fun Yu-Gi-Oh videos, and I will catch you in the next one. That's game.